y'all, here we go. We're making a sourdough pepper jack BLT. Let's get into it. First, you're going to need thick cut bacon, also pepper jack cheese. We're using sourdough bread and also lettuce and tomato, and then we have some Thousand Island dressing to spread on there. All right, so of course we're going to start off with frying our bacon in the pan. So the bacon's already been cut in half just so it's easier for frying and for laying in the pan. So just lay it in there like so, and go ahead and turn your heat on and get that going. All right, plenty of bacon for this recipe because this is going to be a healthy sandwich, y'all. We don't do skimpy sandwiches around here. This is a real BLT. All right, so while your bacon is over here doing this thing, we're going to go ahead and toast the bread. Now, you can add a little butter or whatever, however you want to do it, but we're just going to put this bread in here just like this, and we're going to turn on the broiler, and we're just going to toast this bread until it gets brown. Okay, and so we're here, so we're taking it out. Just toast it on one side. You can always, toast it on both sides. So we're coming back over here and we're checking on the bacon, and it's getting there, a little bit slow but sure. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and start lifting it off of the pan and go ahead and flipping it over. It's a little resistant, yeah, but we're gonna get there. We'll just flip it over. You want to make sure that you cook your bacon thoroughly until it's nice and crispy. You do not want undercooked bacon for your sandwich. All right, so it has some like little fat pieces and stuff like that. I'm gonna make sure that I get all those areas as well. Okay, so you just flip it over and you just want to make sure that you watch it closely. You can also make bacon in the air fryer. We have a recipe for a salad that can show you how to make bacon in the air fryer, and all the oil just drips right down into the bottom of the air fryer pan. I will link that above. Okay, so not all my bacon got cooked at one time, so I'm just removing it as I go, like so. Okay, and then we're getting ready to be down to our last couple of pieces, and we'll go ahead and have it all removed from the pan. Okay, and as you remove your bacon from the pan, you want to definitely transfer it to a paper towel covered dish so you can soak any of the residual oil like we're doing right here. Okay, so you want to set your bacon to the side for a second so you can start building your sandwich. Okay, so go ahead and grab your bread, and you want to go ahead and add the spread on here. This Thousand Island dressing is really good with this BLT sandwich, so just spread it like so. This bread is pretty thick. I did a light spread, but if you're a real dressing person, you like to make sure that it's not too dry. You definitely want to go ahead and add more. So we're just gonna go, of course, put the spread on each side of the bread, right? Okay, just like that. And after you add your spread on there, we're going to go ahead and build our sandwich. So I'm going to show you the easy way that I built this sandwich. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start with our cheese. So just lay it. We're using 2 pieces of cheese. You got to taste the cheese. That one piece doesn't cover all the bread. 2 pieces of cheese. All right, and then you're going to add your bacon on there. It's had time to sit to the side so it's not super hot where it's like melting the cheese, like where it's too much. So just sit your bacon on there however much you want. Like I said, we're making a healthy sandwich, so plenty of bacon on here. Okay, so let's go ahead and add our lettuce and tomato. This BLT stands for what? Bacon, lettuce, and tomato. Okay, so lay your lettuce on there. This is just regular iceberg lettuce. We're not getting too fancy. Some Roma tomatoes. Use whichever version that you want of lettuce and tomatoes. Just lay it on there like so. See how it balances out the tomatoes when you put the lettuce like that. And put your bread on top, and bam, we're done. That is it. You have a BLT, a nice thick healthy sandwich at home. As always, we hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll definitely catch y'all next time.